Hello everyone, it's Leah here. Today I would like to show you some papers that I've designed recently, and their theme is baking, and I concentrated on baking with grandma. So you will see lots of grandma and children images, and of course like cupcakes and cakes and stuff like that. What I have here is papers in 11 by 8.5 inches, and then ephemera cards, actually like journal kit, if I can call it that way, and some junk journal pages. And so I had in mind that these papers can be for all paper crafters, for scrapbookers, card makers, and even those who make junk journals, because in the past I made like 2 or 3 collections with vertical, like 8.5 by 11 papers, like in vertical. But now I decided to make it horizontal. So because I know that junk journal ladies, they use papers that are like horizontal. All right, so here I have papers, and altogether it's 29 papers. And then ephemera cards. Ephemera cards are on 19 pages, and you will find like tags, cards, borders, pockets, and also all these images that I used in the papers I put on separate papers, so you can use them as fuzzy cuts. So you can cut images out and then use them on papers. In your scrapbooks, mini albums, or junk journals, or cards, greeting cards. So you have a lot of options to use them for. And 24 junk journal pages. So when you fold them, you get like 48 pages. Yeah. Okay, so now I will show you quickly first papers. All right, so these were papers, and next I will show you junk journal pages. So these pages can be even for those that are not junk journal makers. You can just cut them in half and use them in your albums, or mini albums. So here I will show you the papers, and you will see they're like 2 different styles. Like 12 of them are like in lighter, they're designed on lighter background, and then 12 of them are designed on like darker background. So and they mix and match perfectly with papers and ephemera cards. These junk journal pages are also printed on 11 by 8.5 papers, so they're the same size. Okay, so last thing I would like to show you are these ephemera cards, actually junk journal kit. So here I have tags in 2 different sizes, and then some tags are empty for journaling, and then some are filled with these beautiful images. And then you have also here some cards in different sizes. Some of them are for journaling and some of them are with images. And then here on this paper, you see like different borders, and I think they're like really beautiful with all this saying or quotes or whatever, and these images. And here you will see some pockets. So these are like larger pockets, and you can they're made the way that you can insert this larger tags, I mean on the side, so this larger tags inside. So, and then you have, this is one style of pockets, and then here this style of pockets are for these tags here. So these are like also in 2 different sizes. So these larger pockets, there are only 2. There are only 2 of them, so these are for larger tags, and these smaller pockets are for smaller tags. And then here you will get some papers with images, and I think these are very gorgeous images. This is all for today. If you like these papers and if you would like to create something with them, then I will put links to all my listings that are listed on Etsy, and Thank you for watching and see you next time.